Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is Jim from Mid-Bike Crisis. I'm here to show you my new Motovlog setup and what a setup this is.
Welcome to Mid-Bike Crisis. Welcome to Mid-Bike Crisis.
So what does this new exciting setup consist of? A SONY A7 III professional digital camera, Rode wireless video mic connected, so no wires, just this beautiful camera system for some amazing motovlogging shots. Let's go for a ride and see what this camera can deliver. Only joking, guys, but I tell you what, jokes aside, it would create some fantastic footage. This, it's already dragging my helmet down, it weighs a ton. So let's get into the garage and let's have a look and see what the new Motovlog setup is all about. Right, can you imagine having that type of a setup? I tell you what, joking aside, the quality would be absolutely immense, but yeah, imagine strapping a £2,000 camera to your chin and coming off. So right, let's see what's in the box. So we've got a load of this stuff. I think this is environmentally friendly. Green air wrap. I'm 100% recyclable and reusable. So well done. So I'll just give you a bit of a backstory. I've used GoPro products for probably about 10, 12 years, maybe longer. Reasonably happy. In fact, no, that's a bit unfair. I've always been extremely happy with the footage of my GoPro 5, 6, 7, currently on a 9 Hero Black. Footage has been very good, but I've just been getting a lot of file corruption of late, overheating, batteries not lasting very long. I even opted for the Enduro batteries from GoPro. They're just not up to the job, in my opinion. If I go skiing or snowboarding, they don't last very long at all. Out on a hot, sunny UK day, and that's not very often, and not very hot, trust me, they just don't seem to last. Last ride that I had out, I had some really cool footage of a load of bikers that I met at Hornsea. It's a little place on the east coast of the United Kingdom, check it out. I had some wicked footage of them all burning past on the bikes. There was an S1000 double R, there was a few bikes. Anyway, I was on my Harley behind, the Fat Bob. Had some ace footage. When I got home, that file in particular, the 5-minute file, was corrupt, couldn't use it. So I just thought, what do? Do I hang out and wait for the new GoPro, if and when it comes, the new 360 GoPro maybe? I started looking at used GoPro 360s, preempting the new one coming out, and I just got a bit bogged down, and then I started looking at different models. I started looking at the Insta 360 Ace Pro camera. So this camera specifically that I was looking for was my chin mount Motovlog camera. It's not a 360 camera. I am looking at a 360 camera, but I'm still a little bit undecided on the 360 footage, whether it's just going to be too much hassle in edit. I find the chin mount footage very easy. You can put one on your bars, one on your chin, and the editing is pretty straightforward in Adobe Premiere Pro, which is the software program that I particularly use, and I do enjoy using it. It's quite a hard program to get your head around, but if you're computer savvy, you can definitely get your head around Adobe Premiere Pro. It's exciting times this, and it's time to reveal what I went with. I won't keep you hanging on. So I didn't go with a new Sony action cam. Obviously there's no new Sony action cam. Just a bit of light-hearted jokes. But we've gone with Osmo Action 4. So after absolutely stacks and stacks of research about these cameras, hours of research, and I'm not exaggerating, hours of research, I nearly went with the Insta360 X4, obviously the 360 camera, and used it. I was going to use it as the main moto vlogging camera, but I do actually prefer to do main moto vlogging from the chin, so you've got that real POV shot that people like. I will go with the 360 camera. When I do go for the 360, I'm not sure. I might look at one next month actually. I might very just might go with the Insta360 X4. It's a lot of dough, it's a lot of money. I think it's about £600, about $700-800. It's quite a lot of money. But for now, the Hero 9 that I had lots of problems with over the last couple of years, has been replaced with this Osmo Action 4. So I went with the Adventure combo, so that includes the extension rod, 3 batteries and the fast battery charger. I went with the Osmo handlebar mount. What else did we go with? The new DJI Mic 2, so that's a wireless transmitter. It's a no-brainer for me. So these two products are absolutely game-changing. So you've got wireless microphone that'll just sit inside the helmet, just here, attached by some magnets. I'll show you all later on how to do that. And this new fantastic Action 4. So let's get it all open. Let's see what it looks like and get a bit of a sound check. Right, we've got everything out of the packet and we've got the Osmo Action 4 mounted to the front of my RI helmet. So we've used the GoPro connector. I've got stacks of these actually, but they're all interchangeable and they work really well. And then I've got a small extension piece just so I can get the right angle when I'm on my sports bike. But that's the camera installed. I'm not going to mess about and put the ND filters on. I'm just going to go have a quick sound check, let you all hear what it sounds like with the wireless microphone. And this will just sit inside the helmet on some Velcro on the back. I did buy magnets, but they're not strong enough, so they're useless to be honest. So we've gone with sticky Velcro, and this is Velcro. There's 2 pieces of Velcro inside here, and the microphone just goes in and sits on the Velcro like that, and you've got perfect wireless audio. So I'm really excited. I'm going to go for a quick ride on the 954 to show you what the video quality is like on the Osmo Action 4 and also the audio quality on the DJI Mic 2. Let's go for a ride. So what we're thinking then? I'm enjoying the new camera. It's very easy to operate. And this will be a good test of the new DJI Mic 2 because this is super windy up here. The lav mics that I usually use, I've got a Purple Panda. That's that usually picks up all of the wind. One thing I will say is the positioning of this new wireless mic, I'm just ever so slightly biting my lip. So that position needs to be addressed a little bit. But I'm hoping this test is not clipping too much and the audio quality is good, what I'm looking for. But this bike, I tell you what, for a 22-year-old machine, it still feels amazing, and it handles so well. It just rides beautifully. As you guys know, I've got a new Fireblade, a 2024, which is epic, absolutely wicked. But it's a different machine and a different ride altogether compared to this CBR 954. Both amazing bikes from Honda. So like I said earlier, I am taking it a bit steady because I've got brand new tyres on front and back. I don't want to be getting a bit of a wobble on. They feel really good actually. These are, I forgot what model we put on. Got them these fitted from Miles Kingsport in Hull. They are Bridgestone tyres. I think the BTO 16s, I think they are. I was looking at the new ones and I just thought they were like 400 quid a pair. These have just got mega reviews still, and I think we was looking at 250 or 260 fitted for the pair. And they absolutely do the job. I think some of these new tyres, unless you're you know, tracking the bike, you're just not really going to benefit, not on these shitty UK roads anyway. So I think as long as you've got a reputable brand and something, you know, reasonably decent, sports touring tyres or something like that, I think you're pretty good to go. But these feel really good. They do feel really good actually. I think, like I said, 250, 260 quid fitted. You can't really, you can't knock that. Gravel everywhere, look at that as well. That's terrible. I wonder why all Honda bikes clunk in first gear. In fact, every Honda bike I've had, and I've had a fair few, they all have that clunk into first gear. Who can give us an explanation why they clunk in first? I did read about this actually once, but I forgot. It was a while ago. So yeah, if you're watching and you know the reason why Hondas notoriously clunk when you put them in first gear, let everybody know and let me know. Write your comment below. What we're going to do here, actually, we're going to have a little pull over in a bit, and then we're going to put the mic towards the back of the bike and see what the exhaust sounds like with this new wireless mic. So while we're here, well, let's have a little look at the beauty of that thing. CBR 954, absolutely stunning bike. Love it. Never sell this bike. It's an absolute keeper. Right, that's it. It was just a quick test. Just didn't want to do that. Just a bit paranoid about these tyres. Just a quick test. Just wanted to show you the new footage for the Osmo. Don't worry, there's going to be plenty of videos with this new camera. And I'll be using the ND filters and all the other stuff. I'm going to get some cool settings, dial in and see what cool footage we can come up with. But yeah, for now, well, that was just a real quick test. Show you what we've bought. Our new rig, excluding this broken GoPro. But yeah, this is the DJI Osmo Action 4 with wireless mic. So thanks for watching on this very windy East Yorkshire day, and I'll see you for the next video coming very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, help us grow the channel, really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, guys and gals, and I'll see you on the next one.